गोंयांत कोरोना लॉकडावनात कांय लोकांचे बरेच हाल जाल्यात. असल्या वेळार फोमेंतो रिसोर्सीस, ताज गोवा आनी सिदाद-दे-गोवान आदाराचो हात फुडें केला. गरजवंत मायग्रंट कामगारांक कंपनीक गरजेचें सामान पावोवपाचें काम हातांत घेतलां. फळां भाजी आनी कड्डणां सोडून नितळसाण दवरपाच्यो सगळ्यो वस्तू आनी सामान ह्यो कंपन्यो सरकारा कडच्यान गरजवंतांक पावयतल्यो. लौकीक शिलकाराचो खासा रिपोर्ट.
गोंयांत आख्ख्या भारतान आनी गोंयांत हो लॉकडावन जायत सावन लोकांक खुबशे त्रास जावपाक लागले डेली गरजेच्यो वस्तू मेळपाक. तितून मागीर खुबश्यो संघटना फुडें येयल्यो, खुबशे पार्टीज फुडें येयल्यो आनी तेंच्यांनी नॅसेसरी भाजी ग्रोसरी सप्लाय केले. पण ते फुडें वचून आयज फोमेंतो रिसोर्सीस, सिदाद-दे-गोवा आनी ताज हे तिगूय मेळून आनीक फुडें गरजेच्यो वस्तू ज्यो ग्रोसरी आनी भाजी सोडून ज्यो लागता आनी ज्यो स्वता निवळसाण दवरपाक लागता त्यो डिस्ट्रिब्यूट करपाचे आहा. ते जशी घरान कोंब लागता, टूथपेस्ट लागता, सोप लागता, ह्यो गरजेच्यो वस्तू लोकांक मेळपाक त्रास जातात त्यो गव्हर्मेंटाच्या थ्रू डिस्ट्रिब्यूट करपाचे ह्या 3 कंपन्यांनी मेळून सुरू केला. आमच्या कडेन आतां आसा सुरेश खन्ना, जनरल मॅनेजर सिदादे ICL सिलेक्शन. आमी तेंचेच कडल्यान जाणून घेवया तेंचे डोनेशन प्रोग्रामा बाबतींत. आज काही डोनेशन प्रोग्राम
In this difficult times, COVID-19, the entire nation and the globe is facing, we as a hospitality organization, we wanted to reach out to all the frontline people who are working for us, these medicals, the supporting staff, the administration, and so on and so forth. This is a little bit that what we could do from our side. So today, what we are doing is we are providing some toiletries, which would be handy for them at this part of the time. And in the coming days, we are also planning to give meals, provide meals to some of the fraternity who are right there working for the rest of us while we are at home and partially at work. Right now, we are looking at about 1,000 meals per day to start off. And if the requirement is more, then we shall also be able to cater for more people. The Fomento Resources and Hotels Limited and also Indian Hotels Company Limited has a very strong lineage towards the CSR activities, and this is not just today, it has always been there for many years together. This prompted us to immediately act on this moment of this crisis. We have been closely working with the Goa administration, and we would prepare the food and pack it here on a regular basis. We would have the administration coming and collect it from the hotel, and then they would distribute it to all to the needy.